Hello and welcome to my channel. The video we're watching is actually part of a project I did, and this is a 1-inch drill bit that I'm drilling this hole with, and a lot of people are surprised by the fact that it can handle something this big. You do have to muscle it through, backing off every once in a while, because for real, this is a little lathe, but a lot of people don't think you can do work like this. In fact, I have a video on my channel. I believe it was called the Monster Drill Bit Challenge. And I'm drilling 1.5 inch hole through a piece of aluminum. If you like hobby machining, I have a lot of videos on my channel of just that. A lot of mini lathe work, mill work, a lot of different things. I make actual parts on this little thing, but if you're interested in the mini lathe or hobby machining, go to my channel. Right now on YouTube, Machinist Brain. Yeah, these machines are pretty cool. They will do the job, but you have to kind of finesse it through, like I said. But I think it's pretty cool. I just thought everyone would enjoy watching this. Whew! I wasn't sure I was going to make it at first.